Good morning, my dear children. Today I'm going to start writing skill first topic, that is notice writing. So here first of all you should know what is notice writing. Okay? Now see, a notice is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards, whether in schools or in public places. Notices issued by the government appear in newspapers. Here, you should know what is notice first. So, a notice is a formal means of communication. Means to communicate someone, we are giving notice. Okay, so it's a formal means of communication. Formally, the purpose of a notice is to announce or display any information. Means suppose if you are in school and if a school management or something is going to be held, some program or something else, then they give you a notice. So how they give you notice? On your notice board or some specific group of people. And where they can give? Mostly is displays on boards. Means notice board. Whether in school or whether in any public places. So notices are generally meant to be pinned up on specific display boards. Notices issued by government. Now it is saying whatever notices are issued by government, these type of notice are appear in newspapers. So here we are not talking about newspapers. Just for notice, you just keep in your mind, it's a short information. It's a kind of short information that means to communicate other people. Means people can know about any information. Now first of all you have to know the rules of notice writing. Notice writing, you have to write in one box, so that's why rules are given. All the rules you must listen carefully, and I want you have to note down all the rules in your copy. Now see, first rule for notice writing is draw a box for notice. Means first of all you have to draw a box. Draw a box where you have to draw? In your copy. Like this. With a scale you have to draw a box for notice. So this is a box. Now write the name of institution or organization. That means in the notice box, like suppose you made this box here, okay, in your copy. And the second thing, first rule is done, draw a box for notice. Then the second point is write the name of institution or organization. Institution and organization are same thing. Means institution where you are studying, and organization means where you are working. So for you, what is your institution name? Like Jyoti School. You are studying in Jyoti School, so this is your institution name. Or many times institution name or organization names are given in the question. Means whatever question come for notice, in that question institution names are given. Sometime it is given, sometime not given. So if it is given, you have to write the same name that is given in the question. But if it is not given in the question, you can write any name of your choice. Okay, so here in first line you have to write institution name like Jyoti School. Okay. Then the next point is date should be written. So in the same box, date should be written after writing. Here, after writing institution name in this line, in the second line, you have to leave the second line. In the third line, you have to write the date. Okay. Again, write notice as heading. In the same line, you have to write notice as heading. And remember this, as it is given here, notice in capital. In capital only you have to write it. Okay, notice heading should be in capital letter only. Now, write title of notice. Suppose you are giving notice for cricket selection of cricket team. So you can give a notice and title you can give selection of cricket team. If you are giving notice for house meeting, you can give a title house meeting. If you are giving notice for debate competition, you can give a title debate competition. So title you have to choose according to the question. In question you will get somehow information what type of notice you have to make. So according to the question you can make the title of the notice. After writing the title, again you have to leave one line. Then contents you have to write. Content means the main information that you have to give to the students or to the public. What you want to say actually, that comes in contents in brief. Content can come in 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, whatever it is, but it should not be more than 50 words. Okay, so whatever information you want to give, that's called contents. After writing the contents, on the bottom left, put signature, write name and designation. Now suppose if this is your box, notice box, here you have written many things, date, notice, contents and all the things. Okay, suppose it is finished in this line. After that, bottom left means this side. Okay, here you have to put signature first. Okay, then name, then designation. Designation means which post you are. Suppose you are a head boy or head girl of the school, you can write your signature, then name, then head boy of a school or head girl of a school or red house captain, blue house captain. Okay, whatever it is. So designation means the post what you are in a school or in any organization. After writing this, your notice will be completed. So this is only the rules of notice writing. Again I am repeating it. Draw a box for notice. Write the name of institution and organization. Date should be written. Then write notice as heading in capital only. Then write title of notice. Then write contents in brief. And on the bottom left, put signature. Then write your name and designation. So this is the rules of notice writing. Now you have to see format. Format means in what way you have to write. Now see. Just now I told you by drawing on the screen. Now actually you have to see this. In first line, name of the organization. Name of the organization in this place. This is only the format. In this place, any name can come. Suppose in quotient is given Charles School, Dehradun. So this name will come in this place. Then leave one line. Then here date. Suppose today's date is what? 27. So 27 August 2021. And when you are writing date, then you don't have to put DATE date. This DATE date is in format only. When you are writing actually notice, then you don't have to write date as, only date you have to write, whatever the actual date. Now in the same line you have to write notice in capital letter. This is very important. After writing this, again leave one line, then put title. Just now I told you title means whatever information you are going to give related to that, you can make a title. If your information regarding dance competition or something else, you can give title dance competition or debate competition or house meeting or cricket selection, whatever it is that comes in title. After writing the title, again leave one line and then start your contents. Okay, content means again the main information you have to write. There will be a house meeting for the entire school and in the hall, and venue and time you have to give. That comes in content. After completing the content, you have to put signature first. Put signature first, and after the signature, just below that, you have to write your name. Your name means it is not necessary your name. Whoever is writing the notice, if in the question is given, you are Kiran, head girl of this school. So if you are Kiran, so you just have to suppose that you are Kiran and as a head girl you are writing the notice. So Kiran's signature will come here, Kiran name will come here, and what she is the head girl. So head girl comes in designation. In that way you have to write. If no name is given in the question, if it is given you are secretary of this and you have to give the information, so then you can write your signature, your name, and as a secretary you can write designation. But if name is given, that the same name you have to write in the notice. If a school name is given, institution name is given, then the same name you have to write in notice. If the name is not given, then only you can write your own choice name. Okay, so this is only the format here. So in this video, this much is enough. In the next video, I'll give you 2 notices. Okay, now I'm going to end this video. Thank you, children.